Hi guys, so today I'm going to show you one of the best remedies in town. And guys, this remedy is just wow. All you need is a malt, cloves water, and for this I soaked it overnight. And if you have it in a powder form, it is perfectly fine. And my next ingredient is evaporated milk, and you can use a powdered milk, but make sure to make it creamier. Guys, I beg you, if you know your partner isn't with you, please stay away from this remedy because I don't want any complaints. And one good thing about this remedy is both partners can take it. This combo is mad. For the men, it makes you last longer, and for the ladies too, it makes you juicy down there. I bet you know that. And this combo has some health benefits. It helps to boost your fertility, improves your libido as well. So guys, if you've watched this video to this end, please do me a favor by subscribing to my channel, like this video, share this video, and turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. So here I'll add my cloves water, and next I'm going to stir it very well. After stirring, you can refrigerate it for 5 to 10 minutes or 15 minutes and drink it 30 to 45 minutes before the game. And guys, don't forget to come back and let me know your experience in the comment section. See you in the next one. Bye bye.